Hey, welcome back to our channel. Today we have a mouth-watering treat for you, the most delicious double chocolate brownies. Let's get started. Grab a pan and pour water, butter and cocoa powder. We are using half cup of cocoa powder, but feel free to adjust your preference. Heat it up until the butter melts, ensuring not to cook or boil the mixture. We want this rich chocolatey goodness to shine through. Now it's time to move on our wet ingredients. Take 2 room temperature eggs. Add sugar along with a teaspoon of vanilla essence. Give it a good beating with a whisk until everything well combined. Then add that chocolate mixture we prepared earlier and mix it well. Next up, let's bring in dry ingredients. Grab a sifter, add all-purpose flour, a pinch of salt and a baking soda. Sift the mixture over the liquid batter. Gently fold dry ingredients into the wet mixture using the spatula. Mix until the batter is smooth with no lump, and strive for a silky ribbon-like consistency as the batter falls from the spoon. Let's add some chocolate chunks or chocolate chips for extra deliciousness. Mix them into the batter gently. Pour the velvety batter into a greased baking pan, spreading it out evenly. Bake it into preheated oven at 170 degrees Celsius. That's around 350 Fahrenheit. Bake it for 35 to 45 minutes until a toothpick comes out mostly clean. Allow it to cool. Then cut it into pieces according to your preference. And there you have it, these double chocolate brownies are pure chocolatey bliss in every bite. Whether you're a seasoned baker or just starting out, this recipe is a must try. Delicious! Thank you for joining us today. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more recipes. Until next time, keep baking, keep smiling.